Hey everybody, welcome to my channel, Pamela's Creations, and thank you for stopping by. Today I have a blind box opening with Doorables Charmsies. So we're going to open up the Doorables. I got these at the Dollar Tree. So let's start with the first one. So this one is, does it have the names on them? Here's this one, and it comes with a pamphlet, so we're going to see what this is. I'm not good with these ones. So that Raya in The Last Dragon, right there. So there's that one. So you guys see that one? Open the next one. Ooh, Snow White. Look at that. Super cute. So we got The Last Dragon and Snow White. Yeah, I was so glad to run into these at the Dollar Tree. We got another Snow White. And we got one more of Adorables. We got, let's see who this is. I'm not good with the, I think it's newer Disney stuff. Let's see. That is from The Last Dragon. And it's that guy right here. I haven't seen that movie yet. So, yeah. 2 Snow Whites and the 2 Last Dragons. I open up the Charmsies. So the last part of my video didn't get recorded, but these are the Charmsies that I opened up. There's this one here, and we've got a doggy unicorn here, 2 unicorns, we've got a duck, 2 puppy dogs, and this little boy here. Super cute. So they come 1, 2, 3, 4. They come in a package, and they also had this string on it. Not sure what I'm going to do with them yet, but I wanted to show you what they look like. Leave me a comment down below on what your favorite one is on the Charmsies and on the Doorables. Also, subscribe button if you haven't already. And happy crafting, everyone.